Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. So today what I have is a inverted triangular 24 karat gold plated surgical steel septum clicker. I bought this one from eBay for about £15. Took less than a week to get here, and I've already tried it on, worn it for a few days, just to give my initial thoughts. First off, the overall design is very good. You don't often see triangular septum clickers. Most of them are round or they're really fancy looking, all over the top. But with this one here, it's a nice, simple, inverted triangle with inlaid jewels. It's a 1.2mm bar, and it costs around £15 on eBay. And that's a pretty good deal for any septum clicker, really. When I first bought it, I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it is a rather small, compact design. So it is on the slightly smaller side for myself, but I've still worn it and it still looks really good. It's a nice gold colour. They did have some other ones available in silver and rose gold, but I went for the plain gold option. So this particular septum clicker is made of surgical steel, but is plated in 24 karat gold, and it has 13 little jewels inlaid there. Wearing it, it was fairly comfortable for the first couple of days, but after the third or fourth day it really was a bit too small for myself, and I had to take it out and put a normal bar back in. But other than that, it's a really nice septum clicker. The only downside I found was the hinge here is slightly too tight, so I had to just pull this bit apart just to loosen it up so it went in and out of my nose. So what I'm going to do now is just put a few pictures up on screen of what it looks like when I'm wearing it. That just about concludes my review. So the design I really like. The ease of it being a septum clicker is really handy. That's the back side. So it is a little bit small, but I will be wearing this in the future. But if you have any other jewellery you'd like me to review, just leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can get to it. But that's all for now.